Mheshimiwa Osoro ako ndogege monike Musongo. Asante my brother.
Haya. Your Excellency, the Governor of Kisii County, Your Excellency Paul Simba Arati, Your Excellency the First Lady, Your Excellency James Ugwae, our outgoing governor, na viongozi wote ambao wamekuja hapa. Hamjambo. Your Excellency, for me, this is a dream come true because it's a dream that was born out of a committee meeting that I served with you in the committee on implementation when we were doing a bit of some reports about the Nairobi County on some projects that were implicated by the national government and the county government. And then you mentioned to me that you want to be governor of Kisii County. And I did told you that it's about time that you have a generational change in Kisii area. It is now true that today we are having a generational change in Kisii County. We're having one of the youngest governors in Kenya. We have formed history as a country for having elected a person who, of course, came directly from Nairobi politics and vied for the first time in Kisii County and won. And in Uganda, so many votes across the country, devoid of the political affiliations. People voted for you, you know, unanimously. You got about 200 and something, 280,000 votes. To me, my call upon you is that to whom much is given, much is expected. People have come here because of hope. All the multitudes that you see here are about hope. They want to see change in Kisii. They want to see things flowing. They want to see you doing things extraordinary. They want to see bursaries. They want to see roads. They want to see employment opportunities. Actual employment opportunities, visible ones. And once you do that, trust me, in 2027, you will have no competition. But if you don't do that, 2027, I will compete with you, and I leave you if you don't do that. Your Excellency, I also call upon you that even as you pursue your 5-year goal and dream, kindly, Your Excellency, please work with the national government. Regardless of the court's outcome, if it happens that the court will rule that William Ruto is the president, swear allegiance to William Ruto and help the people of Kisii County. If it goes otherwise, go to that other side. But if it goes to William Ruto, you must support William Ruto so that you proceed together. And me, as the chief whip of the National Assembly, I make sure I